ito ang purpose ng onion as companion plant sa ibang gulay. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button. Enjoy watching! Look at my onions. They are alive, ready to go outside. But, hindi ko sila pwedeng ilabas muna since these onions will be companion plants for my other vegetables. Para sa insects. Tingnan nyo to, lumalabas ng kanyang roots. Mga next month ko sila plan ilabas. Kapag meron ng other vegetable na nakatanim. Yeah, ang companion plants, we use it for ang companion plants, ginagamit namin siya para sa mga insects, para hindi dumugin ng mga insects yung mga gulay. Ganon din sa mga something that grows or crawls on the ground. May mga ganon kasi, kagaya nung dati, carrots. Nagtanim ako and it was separated. Kaso, ang daming nabulok na carrots, halos wala kaming nakuha. Then, as I do searching, it shows that carrots should have companion plants. Wherein, hindi ko ginawa sa carrots. So, ito ang purpose ng onion as companion plant sa ibang gulay. If you enjoy watching this video, subscribe for more gardening updates. More videos will be posted in video section. Thank you for watching.